Hey, let's see the sales and marketing automation process of any learning platform. So here we are using a graphic designing course for getting the customers to the platform, as well as we are selling the graphic designing course to kids. Okay. So the first step is to run a Facebook campaign, Facebook lead generation campaign. In this lead generation campaign, we are collecting a few details like name, font, email, city, and lead source. Lead source is the form name of lead generation campaign, right? So all these details are captured in the step one through Facebook. And what we do in the next step is that now the platform which we are using for e-learning is Spay.com. So we take those details from the first step and we push those details into the platform as a new user registration by using the integration tool Pabbly Connect. So what we are offering to the student or the customers in the campaign is a free course of Canva Mastery, which is worth 1,500 rupees. So we are assuming that the customer is expecting this course access as soon as he submit the form. So we automatically registers the user in the platform. So advantage of this process is we get a lot of users registered in the platform. And the third step after registration of the user in the platform is giving access to the course. So this is Canva Mastery course and assigned through Pabbly. So here we are using the Pabbly Connect as the solution, the integration tool, right? And for that we need email and course URL, which will be mentioned in the Pabbly Connect, and automatically the Pabbly Connect will give access to the people to access this course to the customer, right? So one milestone which we are achieving in this is that we are achieving more platforms in the user. So that lead magnet means the Canva Master course has been a lead magnet in the campaign. So this lead magnet has helped us to achieve the first milestone, that is new user registration in the platform, right? And after that, what we do is that we inform the learner, the customer, that you have been given access to the Canva Mastery course, which is worth 1,500 rupees, and we will send the username and password in their WhatsApp Messenger. So how do we do that? We use 360 Dialog WhatsApp API, WhatsApp Business API for that, and we connect it with Pabbly Connect. And once the user is registered in the platform and enrolled in the course, we send the username and password in their WhatsApp. So what we do here is that we are giving a button to download the mobile application. So in this case, when the user will click on the button to access the course, we are getting a download for the mobile app also. So this is second advantage of running this course. Okay. Now the fifth step is we add that particular user into CRM. Here we are using the Business Studio as CRM, and the integration tool is Pabbly Connect. And the steps like adding a user into CRM, we create a new contact, we add a new tag, and even we assign new our team member also while we add a new contact in the CRM. So if we are not giving this access directly to the platform, we can get the data directly from Facebook to the CRM without skipping that Pabbly Connect. We can even collect the data from Facebook ad to CRM without Pabbly Connect, but still we are using Pabbly Connect because we have set it up in a sequence of actions in the Pabbly Connect, right? So we have added the person into CRM, and then we create an opportunity in the dashboard. So what exactly is an opportunity? Opportunity is we are adding a user into the pipeline where we actually portray the scope of selling to the person, and we assign to the sales team that we have a new lead in the system. Now it is in the pipeline stage 1, that is lead. Now the next step is to give a presentation, and the third step is to follow up and close, right? So what we do is that we create an opportunity in the pipeline for graphic designing course, which is worth 2,299 rupees per month, right? And after that, we send this payment link to the customer after few minutes in his WhatsApp, because he has been given access to the course. So he must have downloaded the mobile application in the meantime. So we wait for 3 minutes so that he can complete the logging in process and everything. And after that, we will send the payment link to the graphic designing course in his WhatsApp. That is also automated using Pabbly Connect and the 360 Dialog WhatsApp Business API. And we have included one more button which through which the customer can call us if he has got any doubts. Okay, so that's the next step. And in the meantime, we create a task in the CRM. The CRM is again Business Studio, to call the person, call the customer, and do the sales pitch. Now this process is happening within few minutes, and there are sequence of actions which is happening one after one. So, but it is quite prompt. It's pretty fast, right? So we are sending this message to the customer. In the meantime, we are creating the task in the CRM. Why we are adding task in the CRM is because when our sales team is calling and pitching to that person, the customer, after that call, we need this task to be updated in the CRM so that we know that the sales team has acted on the process, right? Also, as a manager, if you want to monitor tomorrow, like what all tasks has been scheduled to the sales team and what actions they have taken on those, then you can look at this task status, right? So the next step is we will intimate the sales team. Like sometimes the sales team may be, in the off working hours, maybe in the evenings at home. So we want them to be informed about there is a new lead for us, so that if they are able to catch up in the same time, then it will give better results in the conversion. So we are sending the customer details in the WhatsApp of the sales team. Right here also we are using Pabbly Connect and 360 Dialog WhatsApp Business API, but we are coming up with this WhatsApp Business feature in the Business Studio very soon. So you can use Business Studio for all this purpose without any integration of Pabbly Connect or 360 Dialog. Everything can be done through the Business Studio itself, right? So the sales team is informed about the lead name, source, phone number, and the purpose. And also we are mentioning that please call and close the deal right away, right? And then our sales team will contact that person. So until here we have not, we have everything automated, and no human being is involved anywhere in this process, because it's all an evergreen campaign. And here we just need this telecaller or the sales team just to push to the sales, because otherwise the sales link and everything has been already sent to the customer, right? And after that, after the call, we will update the status of that opportunity in the Business Studio. That is the deal won or deal lost. If the deal is lost, then the lead will be taken to the retargeting campaigns, and we will send email campaigns, WhatsApp campaigns, and maybe we will remind the sales team to give a call after 1 week or two to again follow up the lead and close it. So it will go to the retargeting campaign. If the deal is won, then we will add the student to the course in the platform, and that too is automated. When the sales has happened, we will add a new enrollment in the platform SPAY e-learning, which SPAY is what we use right now. So if you are using any other platform, you can do that if the integration support is available, and you can enroll the user in the course and inform the user through WhatsApp again that you have been given the access to the course. So that's how this process works. And later on, if you want to upsell the student for any other higher level courses, then you can plan some other remarketing campaigns along with this. So this is the process of customer acquisition, sales and marketing automation, especially for e-learning industry. So you can use this for online trainings, online courses, and customer acquisition for the platform. Thank you. Follow the channel and follow Business Studio for more tutorials on business automation, sales, marketing, and other business process automations. Thank you.